So, you're tackling the Commonwealth Scholarship essays? Let's figure out how to make your application truly stand out.
You're up against about 11 different essays, and yeah, that can feel pretty overwhelming.
The secret isn't just answering the questions, it's about telling one single, powerful story.
Okay, here's our game plan. We've got a core strategy, 3 layers, and an impact plan.
We're going to use something I call the global to personal funnel. We start broad, then we zoom right in.
It's a 4-step process that'll form the backbone of your main essay. Let's break it down. First up, layer 1. You've got to ground your story in a big global issue, like an SDG. Then, you bring it home. Use some hard data to show why it's a huge deal in your country.
This shows the committee you get it. You see the big picture and the reality on the ground. All right, now for layer 2. This is where we connect that big problem directly to you.
You need to pinpoint a skill gap. What's the specific knowledge that's missing to fix this problem? And boom, that skill gap is the reason you need this degree. It's not a wish, it's a necessity. And for our final layer, you have to link your story directly to the scholarship's mission. You literally spell it out for them. Show how your plan perfectly fits one of their core themes.
Now see what we did? This funnel makes your whole application tell one consistent story.
So when other essays ask about your future, the answer flows logically from the story you already told. And you've got to be specific. Name the companies, the skills, the communities. Give them a timeline.
They'll also ask, how do we know you succeeded? You need a clear answer for that.
Think in numbers. How many people trained? How much land restored? This shows your plan is real.
Remember, every essay is just another piece of the exact same puzzle. Make it all fit. So start with this question. If you can answer it, you're well on your way to a winning application.